Grounding breath is a simple tool to help you feel exactly that, more grounded. It works with the energetics of the first chakra and integrates elements of Qigong, which is an ancient Chinese exercise and healing technique. For our grounding breath exercise, we will be positioned in a wide-legged stance, often referred to in yoga as horse stance. This variation of horse stance is a dynamic standing pose that will help strengthen the legs, build heat in the body, open the hips, and stretch the inner thighs. We will focus on connecting to the earth through the feet, staying open and tall through the body, and using Ujjayi breathing to tune inward, slow down, and warm up. Position your feet with your heels slightly in, toes out. When you bend your knees, they shouldn't move past your ankles. If so, don't bend as deep or widen your stance. The kneecap should point towards the second toes to lengthen and open the adductors, or inner thighs, while also keeping the knees safe and happy. As you feel into the 4 points on each foot, take a moment to lift the toes and feel how that activates the legs. Keep that energy through the legs, but relax the toes back down. The torso is upright, with the pelvis in a neutral position and low back lengthening downward towards the floor as the belly lifts. Place your hands on the low belly, thumbs at the navel with the index fingers touching. Soften the belly as you take a couple of breaths here, and as you inhale, feel your breath softly expanding the belly outwards towards your hands. When you exhale, feel the gathering of the belly back in towards the spine. Then, open the palms to face up. On your next inhale, slowly begin to move the legs towards straight as your hands float up towards your heart. As you exhale, flip the palms to face downwards. As you bend the knees, you are also simultaneously allowing the hands to descend. Imagine you're holding a ball of energy in your palms. Inhale, slowly begin to straighten the legs as the hands draw up towards the heart. As you exhale, flip the palms and press them downward, grounding the imaginary ball of energy down towards the pelvis, down towards the earth. As you bend into the knees, shoulders remain soft. And again, inhale, rising up and drawing the hands and energy up towards the heart space. Exhale, bending the knees, turning the palms, and grounding the energy down. A couple more times. Repeat. Inhale, slowly straighten the legs with gentle resistance as the hands trace upward along the front of the body towards the heart. Exhale, flip the palms and ground the energy down as the knees bend. Continue on the rhythm of your breath, keeping the shoulders soft and jaw loose, feeling into the energy gathering up through the legs from Mother Earth. Allow the breath to guide you. Be curious if you can discover the strength and softness of the movement working together. When complete, heel toe or softly step the feet towards one another to hip-width distance. Take a moment, pause, and feel.